I'm like, hey, what's up, hello. Seen your pretty face soon as you came in the door. I just wanna chill, got a set for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced you to my stove. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello.
Hey y'all, so the wig that I'm installing today is from MyFirstWig.com. Now this one is called Olivia. This is their Malaysian human hair straight wig with bangs. The hair color that I got, this one is a natural color. The length is a 20-inch, texture is silky. The lace color is a medium brown, and the cap construction is a 6-inch deep part line lace front wig. Now, I completely lost the footages of me unboxing this hair, but literally this is how the hair looks straight out the box. The only thing I didn't show you guys is me cutting off the lace, but this is exactly how your unit comes. The bangs is cut to perfection. Like, for real, whoever they had cut these bangs definitely needs a raise because they cut these bangs so damn good. Like, I honestly used to hate purchasing wigs with bangs just because the bangs were always like uneven. One side might be longer than the other, and it just looked funny. Like, but this wig is so beautiful, you guys. So this wig is so cute, and literally they cut it, the bang on this unit is so perfect. So this here is from MyFirstWig. Now this is your lace front wig with bangs. This wig has been my go-to wig whenever I just want to, you know, snap something on really quick and go, because I don't have to do anything. First of all, I don't even have to put makeup on. I don't have to do my eyebrows because the bangs is covering my eyebrows. So I don't have to do absolutely anything. So for like the past month, and honestly I have been wearing this wig for like a month now, and it's still so silky straight. It's still so nice. I really don't have any complaints with the hair, and also the hair does not shed whatsoever. So just putting it out there's no shedding, no tangling. All you have to do is pass your flat iron for the hair once, and that's it. Honestly, even when I just got the unit, I didn't have to go in and cut no extra hair on it. The unit came cutted. So is cutted even a word? If it's not, it is now in my vocabulary. So it came cut to perfection. Like, I didn't have to go in and cut no extra hair off. I didn't have to, you know, fix back the bangs or anything like that. All I had to do when I took it out of the bag was flat iron it once more, and that was it, you guys. So this hair is really cute for somebody that's like always on the go. Yeah, this hair is really nice for somebody who just wants something to snap on and snap off. Also, this hair is not a full lace, but you definitely can pin it up in a ponytail, in a bun, anything that you want, without seeing like any tracks in the back, which I'm gonna demonstrate for you guys right now. So the lace does come, so the unit does come with lace all the way in the front, which I'm showing you guys right now. So the unit does come with lace all the way in the front, but in order to pin this in a ponytail, I am gonna have to go and lay it down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go and hold it down with my Got To Be Blasting Free spray, and I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so now that I went ahead and laid down the sideburns, what I'm gonna do to pin this hair up is I'm gonna take a headscarf, and first I'm gonna get a comb, make sure majority of the hair is like pulled back. You don't want to pull on it too hard. Get a clip to hold it while you're doing this, but I'm just gonna take the scarf, start in the back of my head. Now I'm just taking my headscarf and I'm just like literally holding down the front of my lace, because like I said, I did use the Got To Be Blasting Free spray to hold down the front of the lace. This wig does come, well, the lace on this hair is a lace front wig, so the lace does go ear to ear. So it's just literally like a regular lace front wig, just mean it has bangs on it. So I'm using the headscarf just to like hold down the front of it while we pin this hair up into a ponytail.
them a random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now.
And once everything is smooth and nice enough to my liking, then I take my scrunchie and I just pull it up into a high ponytail.
I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that come she jeje. No they do me she get. You wanna come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh, baby I can smoke it all.
And I'm just going ahead and remove my headscarf, and then as you guys see, I did put it like into a top knot at first, but I'm gonna take it out and like wrap around a proper bun. So that's just basically what I'm doing right now.
And I go I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, oh. Baby make you ginger me, and I go I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you, oh. So nobody better than you, I know. I said nobody proper than you, I know. Then one go ahead with your money, them they feel you from London to SA, oh. We could do it my way, baby make you ginger me, I wanna feel ya. Anything you do make I feel if I never do I'ma go talk on, baby get rock on, no need for protein, baby, love you, baby, dagu, party, I know say, I just gotta tell you, it's in my mind, you gotta know, body smoking like a.
And then after my bun is fixed, then I take a rat tail comb, or you can use any fine teeth comb, and I'm just gonna comb out the bangs and make everything flat and nice. And because I only put this hair up was to show you guys how you can wear this hair into a ponytail, I don't really care to fix in the edges or add in any baby hairs to this unit. I mean, if you are gonna wear this hair up like this, I highly recommend, you know, cutting some baby hairs on it and just finessing the edges a little bit more. But just to show you guys, I'm leaving it just like this for now. And yeah, this is pretty much the bun. This is how it came out. It's really cute and nice, you guys. Like I said, I love the bangs on this unit. These China bangs are giving me life. Alright, so this is how the wig looks now that it's pinned up. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see the edges, the side. Honestly, you could fix it more if you want to. I'm just really showing you guys how it would look if you were to pin it up, so I don't really care to, like, you know, be too specific in all detail with the edges and stuff. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see what the back is looking like. This wig is super cute. Also, it is very affordable. It's very versatile. Like I said, no shedding, no tangling. The wig is literally thebond.com, and like I said, this is definitely my go-to wig whenever it comes to me wanting to go out, dinner, anywhere, to the grocery store, the corner store to get gas, whatever it is. I literally just put this wig on and I'm out the door. So I really love it because I don't have to do anything to it. I honestly just love how you can style this wig up or you can style it down. Like, you can do so much with the hair. So I really love it. The bangs are very cute. I'm getting like China vibes, and you know, it's really adorable. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I will leave it listed down below in the description box for you guys on where you can purchase it. Also, if you guys do have any additional questions for me regarding this wig, just comment down below and I'll be sure to answer you guys as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, share, comment if you enjoyed this tutorial. Hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!